official 2x4 that we use. When you get it out of the oven, get it fast, take your 2x4 and there it is. First shot. Wow, pretty good. Just the inertia of the bearing continuing, and the case is hot enough it enlarged so the bearing was loose in it. And they usually just drop out like that. And sometimes it takes 3 or 4 hits, as you can see from our prior hits on the piece of wood here. So now we have the bearing, and it's filthy too. So everything's going to go in the degreasing tank overnight, and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow.